Si Attorney Zulaika Lopez po, we saw her earlier. Were there any communication from her part that she will be committed to attend tomorrow's hearing for trial?
She is required to still be here tomorrow because the subpoena at testificandum that was issued to her hanggang bukas po yun. 2 araw, today po at saka bukas. So we will expect her to be here tomorrow.
Attorney, let's say lang po na hindi, kuwari lang naman po, hindi siya magpakita bukas. Buti na lang po matutuloy yung cross-examination ni Lotok tomorrow. Pero kung kunwari matapos kay Lotok, hindi magpakita si Attorney Zulaika Lopez, what will happen next po? Putol na po ba yung trial for tomorrow?
I think the senator, judges, and even the presiding officer expect Attorney Zulaika's testimony to go on tomorrow. I think the House prosecutors as well, they have been communicating to the public that they are ready to conduct their presentation of Attorney Zulaika Lopez, even insinuating declaration of her being a hostile witness.